Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the system, make a restore point, and close all non-essential apps. Once done, run the driver updater as an administrator so it can access protected files. The program scans hardware and compares driver versions. This identifies outdated, unsigned, or missing drivers. Make sure to note any critical components listed, like network or display adapters, because those impact connectivity. Begin the first scan now. The tool will produce a prioritized list that you will act on in the next step. Once you have the prioritized list, install updates in a careful sequence. Chipset, storage, graphics, then peripherals. You should apply one driver at a time and reboot between major categories to verify system stability. Make sure the updater verifies digital signatures and prefers OEM or WHQL certified packages. That reduces incompatibility risks. If a newer driver causes issues, roll back to the previous version via Device Manager or your restore point. Take notes on version number. Finish by running quick validation. Check Device Manager for errors, test key functions, and reboot once more to ensure stability. Make a short driver log listing new versions and dates, and schedule monthly scans to stay current. If something goes wrong, immediately roll back the specific driver, or use the restore point you made at the start. Uninstall the offending update and reinstall a known stable driver. That single troubleshooting step, roll back or restore, resolves most post-update failures quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.